Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out the best Celestron Trailseeker binoculars you can get your hands on, the Celestron Trailseeker 10x42. These are packed with premium features that outdoor enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and even casual observers are going to love. Right off the bat, the design feels rugged and ready for the field. The body is built with a magnesium alloy frame, lightweight but durable. It's fully waterproof and fog-proof too, so whether you're hiking in the rain or spotting wildlife early in the morning, these will hold up no matter the conditions. What makes these binoculars stand out are the optics. Inside, you've got back 4 prisms with both phase and dielectric coatings. That's a fancy way of saying you're getting brighter, sharper images with excellent contrast and detail. And every other optical surface is fully multi-coated to reduce glare and enhance clarity. You're getting a powerful 10x magnification paired with a 42mm objective lens. That gives you a wide field of view, making it easier to track fast-moving birds or spot game without needing to constantly adjust your angle. And if you wear glasses, no problem. These metal twist-up eye cups are super sturdy and offer multiple stops so you can find the perfect eye relief, with or without specs. The metal construction means they'll last longer and won't wear out like plastic ones do. Another standout feature is the close focus distance, just 6.5 feet. That's incredible for watching butterflies, insects, or even checking out details on leaves without having to step back. Out of the box, you also get a quality carry case, neck strap, and lens covers. It's a solid kit whether you're heading out for a casual hike or a serious birding expedition. And yes, it's tripod adaptable. If you're planning long observation sessions or just want added stability, this feature is a game changer. So to wrap it up, premium build, stunning optics, weather-ready design, and packed with thoughtful features, the Trailseeker 10x42 is hands down the best in the Celestron Trailseeker lineup. If you're serious about your outdoor viewing experience, this is the pair to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives right here on Product Critique. See you next time.